Crystal Sands. First, click on the other side of the room. Then click an action down here, any of them. If you want to do a belly dive, choose sleep. Then as you're running across the room, click it, and it'll be like you're sliding on butter. And I need to hang up the phone. I'll call you back in just a minute. Stop.